Hello, people. As always, I like to make these short videos to speak about these profiles that I think are super cute, and not just super cute, yeah. It's like sometimes the person behind a profile also is so nice that one is just compelled to make a video, and so that more people should follow this Instagram page. So there is this page called Delish Eteria, and it is on Instagram, and the person behind the page is Dr. Aisha Fatima. And like in my videos also, I have my child featuring. So in her videos also, there was this cute little 10-year-old, 12-year-old who was featuring. So I thought that was her son, but no, that turns out to be her brother, because this young lady is just 24 and she is like gorgeous. And it is this whole thing of her page. She started 3 years ago during the pandemic. Now it has more than 33K followers, and she's like, I spoke to her yesterday, and her timings, she's a cosmetic dental surgeon, and her timings were like till 8:30 in the evening. So she made sure to give me time after like 9 p.m. I can only imagine how tired she must have been, but she took time out for to give me this little interview, yeah, because I'm a rank stranger. She could have as well refused to give me her time. We spoke for easily around like 15-20 minutes or something, but I was so impressed. So this page is called Delish Eteria, and you can find it on Instagram. And it is a food vlogging page that can tell you about the best places in Hyderabad, and everyone should follow it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.